In this video, we're diving into how to set up Browse AI bots for data collection. If you're looking to streamline your data scraping and web automation, this is the perfect guide for you. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make Browse AI work for you, whether you're a digital marketer or someone just starting out with data collection. Plus, stick around till the end for a bonus exclusive deal that you won't find anywhere else. First things first, Browse AI is a powerful tool that allows you to automate the extraction of data from websites using bots. It's like having a personal assistant to scrape data for you, but without the hassle of coding. If you're new to this, don't worry. It's user-friendly and intuitive, making it a great choice for beginners. To get started, you'll want to create an account on Browse AI. Once you're in, you can start setting up your first bot. What's great about this software is that you don't need to be a coding expert. The setup process is straightforward. Simply choose the website you want to scrape data from and define what information you need. Whether it's product details, pricing, or even reviews, Browse AI allows you to target exactly what you're after. The next step is selecting your target data. Browse AI's point-and-click interface makes this easy. You just highlight the data on the web page that you want to collect, and the software will recognize and remember that pattern. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, saving you time and effort. Once your data points are set, you can choose how often you want the bot to scrape data. Whether it's daily, weekly, or on demand, Browse AI allows you to schedule your scraping sessions to fit your needs. This makes it incredibly convenient for ongoing data collection, ensuring you always have the latest information at your fingertips. After setting up your bot, you'll get the data in a neat downloadable format: CSV, JSON, or Excel. This means you can easily analyze and incorporate the collected data into your reports or other tools you're using. Now here's where Browse AI shines: its simplicity. It's designed for both beginners and experts, which makes it an attractive choice. Even if you've never set up a bot before, Browse AI's interface guides you through each step, and the bot does the heavy lifting for you. But here's the kicker: you can use Browse AI for completely free. That's right. If you check the first link in the description below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial. It's a fantastic opportunity to try out all the features Browse AI offers without committing upfront. As you start collecting data, you'll quickly see how effective Browse AI is at automating your data extraction. Whether you're in digital marketing, research, or just need web scraping for personal use, Browse AI is a tool you'll want in your arsenal. To recap, Browse AI is easy to use, requires no coding skills, and is perfect for automating data collection. It saves you time, gives you accurate data, and has a user-friendly interface that even beginners can master. Plus, with the exclusive extended free trial, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Check out the link in the description below to get started with your free trial and start automating your data collection today.